Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get heatless curls for your hair in Berry Avenue. So if you want to give your Berry Avenue avatar a stunning wavy look without the heat, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get the perfect heatless curl for a soft, glam and trendy hairstyle. So this is my current hairstyle now. I'm going to change it into the heatless curls. So what you need to do is just find the avatar menu, click on avatar, and in here you can just search for, just click on the menu first and body, click on hair, and then search for heatless as the keyword. Click on enter and you'll see various of options that you can select it. I'm going to remove the one that I'm using first, and then you can just choose which one to apply to your avatar. Just choose the perfect color. Let's try this one. Okay, I'm going to just use this one. You can just tap on done, and this is the heatless curls. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.